Yo you guys, so today we have this really short video here, and this is all about this birthday card, which folds up quite nicely. It has sounds and lights. You won't hear the sound. It has like a little bird singing and like nature background music. And as soon as you open it, it's gonna start doing that. It has some background lighting and it has like this 3D picture here of a hummingbird. And as you can see, there's lights going on as well and underneath to make it look even more special. And yeah, I think this is really neat. Also, there is a button here. I will try and show that in a second. To change the lighting and the sound, there's like one option. Um, exactly when you tap on the sunflower, and now, as you see, it changed to green, has different options. And that's about it for today's video. I thought I would still share it because it's pretty cool. And that's gonna be it for today's video. I see you around. Badger and out.